Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jordan, and sorry I didn't make a Baldi's Basics video because I was too busy with it. I'm so sad. So I'm gonna make another one in December. Make it. We're playing Sniffles, Basics, and Antics, and Crazy. Yes, guys, this is a Happy Tree Friends boss. So yeah, so we can see Sniffles over there. He is cute. He's an ant. He likes to eat ants. Alright, so yeah, is there any how to play? Nope, this is the same thing. Credits. Okay, well let's just get started. Alright, oh, he turns the evil Sniffles. It's like Sonic EXE, so let's get started. Alright. Hello, Baldi.
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. The windows and the playoffs are fences normal, and yeah, three schools. Oh, welcome to the school YouTube. Everything possible. This guy tests the game. I'm not in this game, so yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh wait. There's. Oh wait. Wait. There's like basically okay, well, this is your first. Nope. Alright. Now it's time for good
0,
one.
15, 11. Wow,
You got it.
So yeah. Oh, I forgot. There's a mod hack.
You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Just click problem. I can't believe.
And I hear the Yogi ball. Oh, Sniffles angry. He's angry. When I like any change the colors, I'll make you more blue. There we go. Oh, he's even more blue. Yeah, okay. Now see, now we're Sniffles. Oh, you ordered. Okay, now or what he's actually one to hold, like a hammer. That'll be better. Alright, now let's go ahead and let's go to Arts and Crafters. Let's go to school faculty and take our. Oh, do you want to play with me? I'm already playing your mod Sniffles. Alright.
Let's play.
You're still. Oh, you're normal, but hey, Mark, come on, hack. I got scissors.
Ooh, that makes me sad.
Nope. Oh, like this is just like Five Nights at Happy Tree Friends. This is like Five Nights at Freddy, but Five Nights of Happy Tree Friends. So yeah, I think that I've watched Happy Tree Friends. It's a like very funny, video show, like when people getting killed. Right now, he's
no running in the halls.
Flippy, he's Flippy's the principal. So can you guys like my notebook first? Got 10, 11. Oh, you're wrong. Well, wait, what was it? Oh, see, close. Okay, a soccer ball. No, that's a heart. Okay, he's
15 seconds.
Sorry, so yeah, we got
Detention for you. When will you learn?
A man slap your feet. Oh, okay. Flippy, got sock puddles, and Lumpy. Wait, Lumpy is the bully? Lumpy's the bully. I know where he is. So pretty sure it's time to go back. See Flippy. Wherever he. Wait. Maybe here. Oh, what's this?
I am coming, ready or no, here I come.
Take our one path. Oh, B soda. But it's a blaze speed soda. You guys have a blaze speed soda. Like a cold sheriff. Oh, now cowboy. What taste? Alright, 1 for answer. No apples. Blue hit. Miracle star. Okay, well. Wait, I hear Sniffles. Where's Sniffles? I'm going to eat this as Sniff. Right, I forgot about that. Alright. Big Sniffles. Oh, okay, he's okay. Do I? He's very worth it.
No, can I take your cane?
Well, I'm gonna be. Alright, please, principal, go away. Okay, you go. There you go. Dear Winder, I hate dollars. What did he say? You heard him, you're wrong. Let me see what it said.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
I want to do.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh, no, please, no, please, no. I want to get swept. I don't want to get swept. No, please. No, no, no!
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Please, please, I need to come on, guys. So, Alright, go ahead and the rock on 3. Oh, question and answer.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
10. Here we go. Alright. Let's get here. I'm not gonna get caught by Sniffles.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh wait. Oh no. Oh. I want to do, but I need teleport. Okay. 7. 1. 7. Okay, I can't remember. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Alright. Oh, you guys.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is sweep.
I know.
They got hit me unlocked. Now, they gotta be silver. Alright, we're gonna take our exit. Alright.
I see you, friend. I have lost you. I don't like that.
Here and nope. Wait, I'm gonna make even more bluer. Let's make even more bluer. Alright. Do this, and there we go. I can even more. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Oh,
Sorry, guys.
no.
At least no. Oh, okay. Is it gone?
I am coming, ready or no, here I come.
Come on, there's. Oh, it's. Oh, please. That's right. I am at Tokyo.
No running.
Yeah, I got a copy. Drop me your rocket and fire. I need to go. I got fun. Escape. I need to go. She followed me? No, I want. Where's following me? No, I don't like you. Oh, I got first. Oh, it's still anti-air, sir. Wait, I broke it! No, it's broken. Oh, okay. Let's get out of here! Wait, no! I have to do this! Hurry, Oh! Are you helping me?
me out of here! Get me out of here! Yes!
Wow, great job.
I did that.
Please try and do worse though. I need to.
But, alright guys, before I end the video, I'm gonna make one.
Welcome to
Baldy turns Sniffles.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, Mr.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
Faster and playtime like 10. And she's making, 14 times. And she's gonna do, 5. Just 2 thing. 13. Touchdown. 16. 31. 61. 100. It's a bully. I'm gonna do calm down, and then he's gonna do a 180. Crackers. This 13. 2 notebooks. Got sweet. Down. Surprise. 11. 9. Give me a lock. Dude, first one. Whoever's. Wait. No. Is this thing broken? No. What? Not working. Okay, well, I gotta try. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, let's try this again.
Welcome.
Like.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
1.5. Playtime. 13. And 14. And negative 15. And 2. Name. Nope. And schedule time. 60. 31. 1. And 100. And it's a bully. Negative 180. Are the crafters to guess? And we're gonna make two baldy. It's a ball. Bam. 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 And make this go like that. Oh, no. I think it makes it like even this one. Or no, I'm gonna do like this. Or this. Yeah. I can make it like this. See how like that. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna use my flashlight. And service. There we go. Hopefully, like, make the characters darker. And we're gonna make it. Let's Google it. Scrambled. And there we go. Yep. It's a storm day. So yeah. Let's go take our first look. Yep, everything else is Googled. Alright. So here we go. 14. Nice 5.
Now it's time
8.
for I can't
Wow,
believe.
you exist.
Good one.
Let's go ahead and take our shiny quarter. Whoa, what happened to this name? Okay, we're gonna take a shiny quarter. In our second hand. It says I am sorry. Let's see the room. 10, 6.
Problem 1.
Maybe.
You're doing fan.
Whoa, a time notebook I.
time.
What does that even mean? Baldy. I mean, this got me crazy. Oh, okay, he's actually. We got a guy here. Right. Whoa, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Says, go be Sawyer A. Oh no!
the hall.
Oh,
Looks like
oh
it's
my gosh, you got
sweeping
balls.
time.
Yeah,
You should know better.
can't even read all these games because I put in Google mode. Well, I'm going to have to, well, you know what, screw it. I know it's going to be so hard, but well, I'm going to beat it. I promise.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh, God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? Six. No! What do you got here? Playtime! We know it. Try this. Support, and we'll make all ignore me. Yes, please, please. Right, 1, 2, 3.
Sweeping time.
4, 5, wait, it's not 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good. Whoa! Wait, do this.
Sweeping time.
Give me something very noble in the hall.
God. I think it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, well, 1, 2, 3. All this or nothing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Go! 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good. Good. Oh no, just go. No! No, I'm gonna use Wiggle Boost. I'm gonna use Wiggle Boost. Nope.
Looks like it's sweeping time.
Go. 5.
I see you, friend.
Right. Open get rope you load. What do you mean? Okay, okay. Wait, why is that right? Good. Right.
Will you marry me?
Good. Oh, oh no, sorry.
No running in the
Only
hall.
1 second.
Detention for you. You should know better.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta
Like, here we go. I have one choice. Choice. 2, 4, 3, 2.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Only guy. Whoa, super okay. Whoa!
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Whoa!
Sweep, sweep, sweep.
He's yeah. Stop. Whoa, first of all, so fast. Okay. Whoa!
Gotta sweep, 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 sweep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. No! 7. Oops! You got started. Let's try again. Wait, surprise!
Coming, ready or no, here I come. Will you marry me?
Oh, I forgot. Okay, No!
I have lost
Oh no!
you.
Baldy's
I
there!
don't want that.
Oh, Baldy's there! Okay. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. Okay, Baldy, no. No, please. No. Oh, Baldy! Baldy, no.
I have lost you.
There.
I
Baldy,
don't
please, okay.
like that.
No, I have no choice. I have no choice, guys. Yeah, we tried. I tried, but nothing's working out. So, Baldy, come at me. Maybe. Not this time. Wait, no! Wrong one, no, wrong one.
Will you marry me?
Okay, that was something.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Oh, what? You idiot!
Only rooms in the hall. Detention
No, I'm
for you. You should know
Alright,
better.
3 of 3.
Gotta sweep,
Yeah.
sweep, sweep.
Yeah. Get here. Whoa!
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweeping time.
Yeah, well, you're actually gonna help me.
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Whoa! Okay, no, I have no choice.
Gotta sweep, sweep,
What's going
sweep.
on? What's going on?
Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Looks like it's sweeping time.
Good, I'm good. Okay, so here,
Detention for you.
Good. Okay, so
You should know better.
Yellow rocket. Good. I'll teach him. I'll teach him. Let me use this bar. Yeah. But there's. We'll see. I don't see it. You know what? I have no choice. We try everything, but nothing happens. You know what? Yeah. Well, guys, that's it. I'm gonna end the video. Bye.